when I started this program, I had constant pain and I could barely move my left arm. I hadn't benched in I don't know how long, maybe even a year almost.
Yeah.
Um, and one of the exercises it has you do some push, some like if you can do the push-ups, you do them.
Mhm.
And it was very hard to do them, which was very humbling because I hadn't done that push-up in so long. But there was very little pain in doing it. So that gave me some hope. I started with like the bar and then I did 95 pounds, up to 95 pounds. And then I went up to 135. The overall experience is in the last 2 weeks that I don't have pain every day. And I had it every day, all day when I started this program.
Awesome.
So yeah, it's changed a lot of things.
Maybe you could share a little bit more about kind of your experience, specifically kind of about like working with an online virtual rehab program. Obviously, it's a little different, so I'm hoping you could share your experience.
Well, at first I was skeptical about it all because the only one you hold me accountable, but it's up to me to be accountable. You know what I mean? To this. Um, but as I started doing it and as I was doing it, it was difficult at first. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cause at first, as you can see, I could barely move this arm to like right here. This is as far as it would go back. And now my motion is way back here.
Amazing.
I went from right here, like, and I was dying when I first did it with the other gentleman, and now I'm all the way back here, and I was like, I did it the other day, and I was like, that's crazy to me, but I liked it. I really did I liked it online. I liked it that I could do it whenever I needed to do it. If I got busy in the morning, I didn't get out the door fast enough, I could do it in the afternoon instead of watching TV, or while I was watching TV, I could sit down and do it. You know what I mean? If I'm watching the game, I can sit down and do my exercises real quick. So that part I really like. I really like the interaction between us. And when I messaged you, you were prompt to get back to me. It wasn't some of the other experiences that I could have before that, like, and I don't have to drive to go to some place and
Mhm.
you know, I'm already going to the gym and I'm coming to work and I'm doing this and doing that. I don't have to go to some therapy and drive there and then held to there, and they always have 50 people there. And, even if they only have four, you're waiting for something to go.
Right.
I've done these before with a different part of my body. So I got it, but I really liked that experience of it, that like I could, and it was very informational. There's a lot of things I learned that I never done before. Some of those exercises I had never done them before. Some of them I had done before, but not, I did the wall ones before, but not, like a lot of those bands, the open book. I've seen people doing the open book, never done it before, and some other things too. So yeah, I like that part of it. But I don't feel as stiff as I did with that torn shoulder, and as bad as it was. Like I said, to me, it's just amazing that it doesn't hurt anymore. It was hurting every day, all day. I can carry groceries. I can do things. I'm not even carrying the car keys in my hand would hurt. Like it's just totally different. So it really helped me a ton. I can't tell you how much it helped me.